Situated on a hillside in LA's Los Feliz neighborhood, Moore House is a mid-century residence in Los Angeles that has renovated with glazed walls, teak flooring and an original koi pond. There are an Arflex leather sofa that is flanked by stone tables with bulbous lamps above. A floor-to-ceiling shelving unit contains niches for books, cocktail supplies, and the client's record player. The adjoining dining area is furnished with a white oak table and wire chairs. A brass lighting fixture hangs overhead. Like other areas of the home, the main bedroom suite features neutral colors and a restrained material palette. Teak was used for wall cladding, a floating console, and a pair of bedside tables. A headboard is wrapped in tufted leather. In the main bathroom, a skylight illuminates a shower, clad in metallic bronze tiles. The guest bathroom features a dark Emperador marble countertop and a wall sheathed in Japanese porcelain tiles. Outside of the home, a new 60-foot, 18-meter, lap pool and a concrete deck with a fire pit. An existing koi pond was kept intact. Here's a look at the plan.